What's up, party people? What's up? My bomb and subscriber squad. Hey. What's going on, y'all? How y'all doing? How y'all been, girl? I have been doing wonderful. You know, I'm still on cloud 9 for my birthday. I'm gonna tell y'all right now, this month it's just been so good to your girl. I'm still floating for my birthday, y'all. I know y'all don't want to hear that shit. Anyway, today, loves, we have a Boxycharm premium box for November. I got this, I don't know when I got this, but I'm unboxing it for you guys today. So if you guys want to see what's in this box right here, babe, stay right there. You already know the deal. Oh, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. It's a must. This will be a very short video, guys. Before I get started, I want to shout out my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoyed my seductive pleasure unboxing on yesterday, Freaky Friday, as well as my Ipsy Glam Bag X unboxing. If you have not checked that out, please do so, and make sure you subscribe to this channel. Today we have the premium box. Y'all know I canceled the base box, so we're gonna get some specs on this little baby right here, and we're gonna unbox her. Okay, so they recently increased the price from $35 to $39.99. Every month. You're supposed to get 6 full-size products in this box. I still don't really know the value. I need to go look that up. I will probably put it down here somewhere. But yes, I have not been happy with the premium. I don't know why I kept this one. I should have kept the base box, but we're gonna see if November is better. I don't remember my choice products, guys. Items, maybe I will once I see them, but let's get this box on and poppin'. Boo. I'm still drinking. Hey. Alrighty, dolls. So when we pull this baby open, that's what she's looking like right there. We do get a little card each month, and the theme for this month is invite only. Alrighty. And on the other side, we get a list of our products with prices, descriptions. Y'all know I'm gonna go through all of that. Yeah, I'm gonna give you a variation towards the end. I'm gonna take another little drink. All right, and we're gonna get to unboxing, baby. Y'all ready? You ready? You ready? You ready? Let's go. Hey, let's go. For the premium box, you do get to customize 2 products. The choices sucked, I think. I don't remember, but I think they were bad. Maybe. I don't remember. But anyway, let's go. I'm gonna just pull blindly out. All right, first up is from, is this Riddle? I don't know what that is. It's a roll-on fragrance oil. You get 8 milliliters of product in here. I don't know the shade. It's like a little question mark. I don't know. I've never heard of this brand before, but let's open it. I just changed my Ipsy profile to receive perfumes because now I'm into perfumes, I guess. I don't know. Okay, it's a little roller ball, guys. And we're going to roll it right here so we can smell it. Oh, it smells... I don't know. I don't really know what that smells like. I don't know. It smells okay, I guess. We're gonna let it warm up on the skin while I read up about this one. So this is a Riddle oil. It's made with simple ingredients of amber and musk. The original roll-on oil smells clean and subtle. This oil naturally creates a signature scent that is unique to you. Oh, what if somebody's scent is smelling like shit though? Not that mine does, but I'm just asking. It's actually warming up to me. It is a subtle, like, fragrance, not too strong. I maybe could rock with this. I don't know. I like perfumes now, so yes. All right, so the original scent is excellent for people who don't generally like fragrance or suffer from fragrance-related headaches. Rest assured, when you roll on, your original fragrance is hypoallergenic, non-toxic, vegan, and cruelty-free. Whoa, this is a new brand for Boxy Bay, and this retails for $50. $50. $50.00. 50. I ain't even gonna say nothing. We're just gonna go to the next product. All right, so the next product that I'm pulling out is from Rodial, and this is the blush drops. This is liquid blush. There we go. We got the shade, I don't know, Sunset Kiss. It's a liquid blush. You get 15 milliliters of product. I showed you guys the box. I don't remember. Let's open it up and see. Oh, this is pretty. So there's the bottle right there. Nice frosted glass bottle with the little top. And let's swatch this. Okay, it comes like a little dropper, as you guys can see. gonna put a little bit on my hand. Now I usually do not wear cream blush, well, liquid blush, because I'm an oily kind of girl. But okay, this is pretty. It's giving off a lot of like iridescent type colors, like you see pink and gold in there. I mean, maybe I did a lot. I think I did. Yeah, I put a lot. Let me put a little bit on my face so I can see. I don't see nothing. Oh, girl, it's in my hair though. What y'all see? Y'all see something? I don't know. But this is the color. It's not bad. I'll try it out and see. It's just a lot of shimmer. It's very shimmery. And this right there, my loves, retails for... Girl, this is a new launch, y'all. This $50 too. 50.00. 50. Next product. Alrighty, I'm not gonna say nothing about the prices. I'm gonna try to keep it positive this whole video. What y'all think about that? I'm gonna be positive the whole video. Next product is from Sutra. This is the Rejuvenating Hair Serum, 60 milliliters of product. I do remember receiving this in a Luxe, I think, box. I actually used this serum on my hair a lot. I'm very familiar with this. It's wonderful. It makes your hair very hydrated. It smells really good. I think it's also got like a heat control in it, or heat resistant. I don't know what you call it. Let me see what it says. It's a rejuvenating hair serum, protect hair and reduces frizz with this Sutra Rejuvenating Hair Serum. It's infused with healthy ingredients to leave your hair shiny and smooth. It will protect your hair from damage and dryness. This retails for $45, and like I said, I use this. I actually really love it. I'm glad I got a backup because I'm not paying $45 for it. So thank you, Boxycharm. Okay. Next product is from Girlactik, and this is the Rose Oil Petal Gloss right there. Let me get my little paper right now and read about it. This is fall in love with long-wearing lip gloss that is infused with natural dried rose petals and a blend of argan oil, raspberry seed oil, vitamin E, and jojoba. Y'all know I say that wrong. Somebody gonna let me know what it is. This gloss isn't sticky and is the perfect go-to formula for a glossy finish. The formula is enriched with moisture-boosting protective ingredients to nourish and repair your lips. Retails for $20, and let's see what it looked like, y'all. I haven't watched any. Well, I did. Did I watch a Boxycharm? Maybe I watched Just Ann. I don't remember. I think I did though. Let me see what this is. Oh, okay, this is pretty. So that's what it looks like. Let me see if I have a little scent. Ooh. Oh, it does have a nice like rose scent. And I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand. There you go, right there. I'm gonna put this by my table because I can always use a lip gloss because y'all know my lips stay dry. So I'm happy to see this, $20. Two more products, and I honestly don't know what I chose. I know this the last product I chose, but I don't know which other one I chose. But this is the Peach and Lily Glass Skin Veil Mist, Hydrate and Glow Mist. All right, let's open it up. I think we received Peach and Lily before in Boxycharm. Yeah, ooh, okay, so it's a Hydrate and Glow Mist. There we go, right there. There's the bottle, and you do get 100 milliliters of product. I am gonna give it a little spray. Ooh. Oh, that mist is really nice. Let me read up on it on the card here. This is the Skin Veil Moist Mist. The Glass Skin Veil Mist calms, refreshes, and hydrates for a radiant, lasting glow on bare skin or with makeup. Achieve poreless, luminous, and translucent looking skin with this luxurious mist that features a soothing, antioxidant-packed cucumber water base. Instantly delivers a glass skin finish with hydrating, soothing, and glow-getting ingredients. Results build over time to help your skin look and feel hydrated, radiant, plump, and bouncy from within. This, my loves, retails for $29, and I am going to use this. So happy to see that. And my last product is one of my choice items. I think I told them to choose the other product for me, but it's the KVD Lock It Powder Foundation. There we go. And I have the shade Rich Deep 255. I remember, I think I had to go back and forth on like Sephora or somewhere to see if this shade would match me. This is what the packaging looks like, loves. They have a little powder puff here, and then it says KVD, which I think is the old brand. So this is probably an old item that they're trying to get rid of. Let me read it really quick. And it says this is a vegan powder foundation that delivers full coverage, instant blurring, and extreme long wear in a sexy compact. And I must say this is pretty sexy. Retails for $37. It's giving me real gothic vibes. Ooh, okay, comes with the mirror. Hey girl. And put the little puff right there. This is the shade right here. It is very red. I probably could use this as a bronzer. I think it's a good color. Ooh, let me see. Let me see. Okay, so that's how it looks on my hand. So I probably could work with it. If not, I definitely can bronze with it, but it does blur out my hand. I don't know if you guys can see that, but alrighty. And this, my loves, is how much? 37 buckaroos. Okay, my loves, that was my final product in Boxycharm Premium. Let's do a quick recap, final thoughts, and we'll be done. So we received the KVD Lock-It Powder Foundation, which has oxidized a little bit and is really muddy looking. So I probably won't use that. The Peach and Lily Glass Skin Veil Mist. From Girlactik, this Rose Oil Petal Gloss. From Sutra, this Hair Serum. From Rodial, the Blush Drops. And from, what is this from? I forgot. Riddle Oil, this original roll-on oil. I stutters all the time, y'all know that. These 6 products here, my loves. And I do have variation letter C2111230/PM. And my box's value was $231 for this month. So let's do some final thoughts. All right, so final thoughts on this month's box. I didn't get the theme invite only. I'm not sure what that means. But for the most part, okay, positive. Okay, for the most part, I do like that they at least attempted to put a foundation, but this baby oxidizes very badly. It looks like my hand is bruised. The blush drops, I'll get some use out of. I'll use the roll-on perfume. I'll use the lip gloss. I'll definitely use the hair serum, and I'll try this. They gave us a nice balance this month. I have 2 skincare products and 4 makeup products, so I'm happy about that. Am I overly joyed about this box? No. Do I think it's worth $39.99? No. But that's what it is, guys. Yeah. I'm probably going to be canceling Boxycharm altogether in January. So I don't know if I want to switch back to the base box for my last month next month or just get the premium. I'll probably just keep the premium, but it was just okay to me this month. I don't know. Let me know what you thought. Let me know what you got and what you thought about these products. It just seemed like a lot of filler products with a lot of big price, and y'all know how I feel about that. So yeah, that's all I have, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up if this is the content that you like from your girl. Like I said, moving forward, starting next year, I'm gonna be canceling subscription boxes that I pay for and just unboxing PR boxes, and we're gonna do more story times, more get ready with me's, stuff like that. So yes, all of my social media is down below. Boxycharm's link is down below if you want to subscribe to them. That's all I have, guys. I will see you guys in the comments and on my next video. Please be blessed and stay loved and spread joy. Bye, guys.